In this video, we will learn how to create or clone issue automatically in Jira. Okay, so there is a requirement like whenever you are creating the task issue type, so subtask should be created automatically. How we can do that one? Okay, so let's learn. The same thing, whenever you want to try this automation, you need to go to the workflow. In which workflow I need to go? In the task one, because from task I want to create this one task or request a new type you can take. Let me take the request issue type, edit. My requirement is whenever a ticket is getting created in the post function, I will add that condition like if based on the any field value the create task will be create. Okay, go down here, you can see clear field value, clone. Let me see, let's try this one, jmwe1. Okay, just go down, click on add. Okay, which project you want to create? I want to create in this project. Whenever you are cloning and you want to create the same request in the another project also, that time you can select the project. I want in the same type issue type, which one I want to create subtask. Okay, parent issue will be the current issue. I don't want any link type. Okay, what will be the summary? Test, and it will take summary from the parent issue. Okay, do you want to copy other field? If you want to copy, then just copy like this. Any field you want to copy, like SLA you want to copy, just click on current, copy for the current value. Or do you want to provide any examples like for the task, if SLA is 5 days, for this subtask I will create 2 days extra. So that type of conditions or group examples, group expression you can add it. I want to copy from the parent value, go down. Anything else? That's it. I am not giving any condition. It will create always, it will create always. Okay, okay, now first issue will create, then subtask will create. So if earlier it was first, so first subtask will create, that is not a good thing and it will not happen. That's why I got the error. Now click on publish. So it means it will create ticket always. Let me show you. Subtask. Okay, SLA 9 create. Okay, it's not getting created. There is a issue. We can check in the workflow. Refresh the page. Create, go to the post function. See, it's there, only one issue type is there, that is a unit test one. This is a subtask, but which one I have selected? I have selected subtask. Because of this reason it wasn't creating, because there is no subtask issue type available in the project. click on update, click on publish. So this got created. After that this subtask will also create. So it will create always. Now I want based on the one condition. So how to add the condition also we can check it. It's the same way. Just go to the post function, go down here, you can add condition also. Okay, so I want to add whenever instance value equal to prod. If this value is equal to prod, then only I want to create prod. Go down, click on update, publish. Okay, I am creating it. It will not create a subtask because condition is not satisfying, you can say. But if I'm in this instance, just go down, search for instance, select prod, click on create. Now it will create the subtask. See, so like this you can create. If you want to change any field value, you want to copy it, you can do. I have copied only one value, that was SLA. If I am not selecting SLA in the parent task, it will not copy to the subtask also. Like this you can create or clone any issue in the Jira. Thank you for watching.